today I'm teaching you how to make a custom thumbnail. I'll show you my thumbnails. See, I did this thumbnail and this thumbnail. So I will show you how to make your own thumbnail. So first you need the app Phonto. And you can either take a photo or go through your albums. I'm gonna go through my albums and find one. Let's do this one. You can choose a filter if you want. So this is what I'm gonna use for my thumbnail. And then if you tap around, you can add text, which I'm gonna add text. This is gonna be the thumbnail for the video. So, and you can press your font. I'm gonna use this font. How to make a custom thumbnail. There you go. You can always change the font if you like. I'm going to get a different size. Sorry about that. Blue is being weird. So let's make it this color. Totally make this color style. I should get it that same purple color again. I think that's close. Oh yeah, that's close. So let's just move it down here maybe. I think I can add an item too. Ooh, yeah. I'd never used this. So let's add hearts. There we go. Let's change the color to... this color. This is a cute color. There we go. And then you want to save it to your photos. And then you're going to need the app YT Studio. And it shows your entire account. And then to put it on a video, you have to look through the video you want to put it on. For example, say I wanted to put it on Rip deodorant. I would click this pencil up here, and where it says edit thumbnail, you'd go there, and then you can pick your thumbnail. So that's how I did those thumbnails, with how I animate on FlipaClip. Sorry about that. So that's how I do my thumbnail, and how to do a gradient in FlipaClip, and how I animate on FlipaClip. So I hope this helped you to make your thumbnail.